Meet the ultimate cold plunge system from RevX Wellness, the cold plunge that changed the industry. This game-changing three-part system is built to chill, clean, and plunge seamlessly. The separate filtration unit, available in Ozone or UV with easy-to-access maintenance tools, gives you crystal-clear water every time you plunge. It securely connects to the industrial-grade chiller. The chiller can quickly reach 34 degrees Fahrenheit and quietly maintain its cold temperature for hours. The strength of the chiller and filtration units combined gives you 10 times stronger water circulation. The tub is crafted with durable drop-stitch technology and features smart water-in and water-out hose connections. Fill it up and enjoy cold, circulated, clean water on demand. Choose from 3 bundles, along with 1, 1.5, and 2 chiller horsepower options. The Deluxe fits 2 people or individuals 6'5" and over, while the Classic works for any inside or outdoor gym. The barrel is perfect for small spaces, decks, and patios. No wonder it's the last cold plunge you'll ever need.